everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Reopet dog bowl mat. I bought this because I have a French bulldog. She's still pretty young, so she does like to make a mess in her food and her water, and she was making a mess of my flooring. So this is 100% silicone, which means it's 100% waterproof. It does have this little raised edge on it, so it contains a lot of the spills, a lot of the crumbs, a lot of the dog hair, everything that you're gonna get when you have a pet eating on the floor. This would also be great for cats. I think you could use it for more than one dog. It is really large, if you could see. You could fit a water bowl and maybe 2 food bowls on it and still have a lot of space around it to collect all of the crumbs and the water. This has been great for me because I do travel quite a bit and I like to take my dog with me. So it's super convenient because all you have to do is roll it up and it's ready to go. So when I'm on the road and I'm at an Airbnb, if I'm at a friend's and family's house, if I'm in a hotel, I can just bring this with me and I don't have to worry about my dog making a big mess. It's also dishwasher safe, so all I have to do is throw the crumbs in the garbage, throw them outside, put it in the dishwasher, and it is good to go. So if you are in the market for something like this, if you have a dog or a cat that's a little bit of a messy eater, or if you just don't want the water all over your floor, I would highly recommend this product. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you.